Hello, my name's Jamie Sale. I'm a freelance cartoonist from Essex, and I'm going to be teaching you how to draw cartoons. This is how you draw Tweety Pie from Looney Tunes. Tweety Pie's got a rather large head, so bear that in mind when drawing because you want to do it near the top of the page somewhere. And the mouth at the bottom is represented by these two circles. You can kind of meet those up as well. Tweety Pie's eyes at the moment just sort of sketch in as circles. And Tweety Pie's beak as well at the moment is represented by a circle. So there's three hairs at the top of the head. One is actually on the head, the other two are on the line of the head. And Tweety Pie has eyelashes. That is the sort of basic structure of the head so far, and we'll get back to that in a minute, but firstly we'll do the body. Okay, so for the body, draw a circle for the neck for the time being. And then a circle here for this part of the body. The body will be going at an angle here, so that's the lower body and that's the upper body. And they sort of meet each other. And draw a circle for the shoulders there. And draw two lines coming from that, sort of going slightly inwards, and this represents one of the hands. And coming out from here as well. It's going to be the other hand, and this is where it gets a bit tricky. So basically just drawing some circles for fingers. These fingers are from that arm, and there's just another one poking out there from this hand, but we'll go over that, don't worry. Tweety also has a tail. And it's almost as if Tweety's wearing shorts as well, because these parts of the sort of upper leg. For Tweety's feet, it's best to sort of draw in circles for the moment because the feet are quite big. And that's when you add in the shapes. Okay, that is Tweety Pie sketched in sort of lightly. We will go over that in a second, but firstly we'll get to the face. Just make more of a shape out of the eyes, and then we do the iris and the pupil, and then for this side as well we'll do the same thing. Iris and then pupil. And then with the beak, it's just a case, it's quite simple. Do an arc at the top, and sort of at a right angle there, you just kind of go in, slope down and then back, and then the lower part of the beak, like that. And then you just sketch in the face and the head a bit harder. Again, as I said earlier, this hair comes from the head and these two are on the line of the head. The eyes can be sketched in, the pupil can be sketched in now. And same with that one. I'll just thicken the eyelashes a little bit. And the cheeks. It's got a slight brow there as well. Tweety's chest comes out a little bit there as well. You don't actually need to draw the shoulders of the arm, it's just put there so you can get the shape of them better. So the actual arm starts up here, you only need to go as far as there when sketching it in. And going over the fingers as well. And finally the feet. And that is how you draw Tweety Pie.